Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So the first update that we have is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is now launched in India. Mi Band 5 features a 1.1 inches AMOLED display with 14 days of battery life in regular use and up to 21 days of battery life in power saving mode. The watch features 11 professional sports modes which includes running, walking, riding, yoga and many more. Xiaomi says that it has integrated an upgraded PPG biosensor enable up to 50% of more accurate heart rate monitoring. The Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is priced at 2,499 rupees in India and will be available from October 1 on mi.com and amazon.in. So the next update that we have is again from Xiaomi. Xiaomi smart speaker with 12-watt driver is launched in India. The Mi smart speaker features a matte finish on the top of its 0.7mm thin metal mesh. The speaker also features DTS sound technology, touch controls to adjust volume level, play or pause music tracks and mute the inbuilt microphone. Xiaomi has offered a hi-fi audio processor made by Texas and Google Assistant support is available which can also be accessed in Hindi language. The smart speaker is priced at 3,999 rupees in India and will go on sale via Flipkart, mi.com on October 1. At number 3, we have news from Realme. Realme teased the launch of Realme 7i on October 7 in India. Realme as recently teased as LED 4K Smart TV for India as coming soon. This is also expected on the same date. Realme, along with Realme 7i and the Smart TV, is also going to unveil Realme Buds Air Pro, TWS earphones, wired earbuds, electric toothbrush, and power bank on that date. Realme 7i is going to be powered with Snapdragon 662 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone is about to feature a 64MP quad rear setup, 5000mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Realme 7i was recently launched in Indonesia a few days back. The expected price of Realme 7i in India is 15,800 rupees. Let's see what happens on October 7 event and at what price Realme 7i will be unveiled. Listing further, we have updates about Oppo A33. Oppo A33 is now launched by the company featuring 90Hz refresh rate, LCD panel, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The phone is powered with Snapdragon 460 processor featuring 13MP triple rear setup and 8MP selfie camera. The phone is backed with 5000mAh battery and shipped with ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10 out of the box. The phone will be available in mint green or midnight black color options between September 29 and October 1 and is priced at approximately $155. Moving forward to the fifth update we have is from Honor. Honor is about to launch Watch ES and Watch GS Pro in India on October 8. The Watch ES will feature 1.64 inches AMOLED display, 95 workout modes and 12 animated workout courses with specific scenario such as fat burn, abs workout and fitness tracking. While the Watch GS Pro will feature 25 days battery life, built-in dual satellite positioning system support and 100 plus workout modes. The Watch ES will be priced at 10,000 rupees in India and the Watch GS Pro will be priced at 20,000 rupees in India. Next update that we have is from Nokia. Nokia 9.3 PureView, Nokia 7.3 5G and Nokia 6.3 are tipped to launch in November. Nokia 9.3 PureView is expected with 120Hz refresh rate display, 108MP main camera and 8K video recording support. Whereas Nokia 7.3 5G will feature Snapdragon 690 processor, 48MP primary sensor and a 24MP selfie shooter. Nokia 6.3 is about to feature Snapdragon 670 processor or 675 processor. A quad rear camera setup is expected along with a 16MP front camera. All the phones are expected with 4000 mAh battery. Nokia 9.3 PureView will be a flagship phone as per reports. And let's see when official Nokia announced the devices to the world and at what price. At number 7, we have news about Sony One 3. Sony recently unveiled Sony 5 II and now new leaks suggested that the Sony is working on Sony One 3 smartphone. The leaked specifications suggested that Sony One 3 will pack a brighter display and a better selfie camera than Sony One 2. Let's see when Sony officially announced the devices and at what price. Next update that we have is again from Xiaomi. Xiaomi Mi Watch Revolve is unveiled for Indian market. The watch features 46mm circular dial. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 BLE to connect with the new Xiaomi Wear app for Android and Xiaomi Wear Lite for iOS. It boasts 5 ATM water resistance and 420 mAh battery that can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge and for 20 hours when GPS turned on. There are more than 110 watch faces. Talking about the price, the watch Revolve is priced at 9,999 till Diwali, and after Diwali, the watch will be sold at 10,999 rupees. And if we talk about the availability, the watch will be available in the market by October 1. So the last update that we have is from OnePlus. OnePlus is about to hold an event on October 14 in India where it will unveil OnePlus 8T. But now, new updates suggested that there will be 5 other products launched by OnePlus on the same day. The products expected are OnePlus Buds Z, the budget TWS earphones, and the Bluetooth speakers. Let's see what officially OnePlus unveil on October 14 and at what prices. The leaked price of OnePlus 8T 5G is €599 that showed up on Amazon's site. So, how many of you are excited for the event and devices? Comment below. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Your support is incredible, so please comment your views in the comment section and help us improve for further videos. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.